Blessing my people. Big up on yourself. I don't know the thing on New Link the end of the night, you know. Giving thanks as usual. I don't know the thing go. Right? I turn off one of them something of them later. Yeah, you look better now, not true? Oh, yeah man, you look better my people. I turn off the backlight there. See? You are going now, people. Yo, I see them some vloggers and thing. You understand? Because I watch vloggers sometime, you know. And I see posts even make with the youth, you know. That are the Buju Banton son named Marcus Mary. I go talk something which me never hear call Buju name. See? So me now go say yo, me hide. Me everybody say Buju him at this and him at this, him father everything. See? Number one, me now got this Marcus a certain way and say yo Marcus, a Buju yard this. Knowing? But me go send a message to Marcus now. If I really Buju him at this, Marcus, behave yourself. That's all I can say if I really Buju you talk. Me now got this saying a youth and say a Buju you talk because me don't know your name, call Buju name. But because of the post you make yo and common sense can tell us say it seem like your father you talk, you know what I mean? And when Buju in a prison, me always see you make something and like it, that's say your daddy good. So if now this happen when he come out now, when you have him big show come up right now, people. See? In big show come up now, you know. Yo, youth, me tell you easy yourself. Don't follow people like some idiot artists that come do and come style the General Buju Banton. Me no joke thing in the night, youth. I mean even want to get an attack in the night, youth. That's why I tell me I behave myself, you know. Marcus, me no want to get an attack. Me seriously no want to get an attack in the night. So you will keep them the attack there. See? But I me tell you, youth. Respect your father. If the man come out and the man see I do some foolishness, Zin, if things not govern the right way, the man must can talk to your youth. Zin, yo, me don't know what I'm doing sometime, you know, if I don't even know, you know, as me tell me don't want this in people. Because me can't say a youth matter. Me see blogger them post and say, Buju Banton son diss him up, Buju Banton son say my diss him at that and that, but I cannot do that. But me can't say if I really you Buju you talk youth. You have to keep down yourself quiet. Because Buju Banton a general. Me know son a family and yes, Tutu's family and family in argument. But in the end, youth, them thing you go worldwide. The amount of people in the world look up to Buju Banton right now and wait for your man concert, yo. But here we go on. You see, no matter what destruction them send for Buju Banton to come in, it cannot stop him show for and go on. Because ticket them done sell off already. Zin? So if anything we not try if you bring down the Gargamel, anybody at all, me even not talk Marcus or whatever, anybody who no can't bring down the Gargamel because man thing done connect already. So DJ Khaled they flying for Buju show. Plenty different celeb when you link never want disclose, you understand? Because them keep them thing confidential and private. Me never want disclose them. When they are Jamaica right now.